Well, part of us delivering peace of mind means keeping those that we care about ahead of the curve on topics that relate to home ownership, and that includes insurance. Insurance is getting harder to find these days and more expensive, most notably due to two main reasons: the increase of natural disasters related to climate change, and then fraud. Sometimes those two go hand in hand, sometimes they're separate, but the bottom line is it's getting more expensive for insurance companies to do business, so not surprisingly, it's making it harder for homeowners to get insurance, including people who are already in their home for renewals, and then certainly for the folks that we're working with who are trying to purchase a home. So I wanted to share some ways that we can kind of stay ahead of this. First and foremost, you want to treat the insurance the same way you do the mortgage approval. You want to get moving on that as early as possible. We are making sure that our clients know, hey, you need to start calling insurance companies immediately once you get under contract, because you might be surprised at the difficulties that could exist in just getting an insurance policy. For our clients who will be selling and then purchasing, we're encouraging, get a pre-sale inspection. Now, the flip side of this for a buyer is, it may be a situation where the home looks great, there's really no damage, but if there were previous claims, there could be a delay because insurance companies want to know what was going on with the house previously, even if it wasn't the most current owner. It could have been a previous owner. And so this is another area where you don't want to be caught behind the curve on getting that information. And then finding options, just to kind of summarize what this article here on NAR and Realtor Magazine is kind of sharing, is you want to find those options. We know some of the best insurance agents in the DFW area, and they can write throughout the state. And timing is key, because with enough time, they can find a market, as they sometimes call them, or a provider to meet certain needs. So just important information we want to make sure people know about, because it's our job to make sure you have peace of mind, and this is one area of that. Thanks so much.